Alright, what's up guys? In this video, we're going to pick up some more calculus here. This is going to be another integration practice video. And this is going to be example number 4 that we're going to work on today. So we're asked to evaluate the integral e to the square root of x dx. Okay. So a simple u substitution is a good place to start. A clear selection for u would obviously just be the square root of x. Remember, the derivative of the square root of x, if you use the chain rule, is just 1 over 2 multiplied by the square root of x dx. And if we solve for the dx part, we'll get 2 times the square root of x du is equal to dx. The 2 is a constant, can be brought out front, and then we'll have times the antiderivative of e to the u multiplied by u du. Now we need to value this integral. So to do that, we'll have to apply integration by parts because we have a product of functions, a product of 2 different functions. So remember, the integration by parts formula is the integral of u dv is equal to uv minus the integral of v du. We just get that from the product rule. And remember, what you do for integration by parts is you identify u and an appropriate dv. The great thing is, once you've determined what u is, dv is everything you didn't pick. So u in this case is u, and that means that dv is e to u du. So this integral is actually very easy. So du is du, and then v is the antiderivative of dv. So it's going to be the integral of e to the u du, which we know is just e to the u. You don't have to add a plus c there. We'll add a plus c at the end. So don't forget about the 2 that was out there. So if we apply integration by parts, we'll have e to the u multiplied by u. We'll know we'll have to end up integrating e to the u du again, which we know would just be e to the u. So this would essentially just become 2 times e to the u multiplied by u minus e to the u. And then all we have to do to really get our final answer is to plug the u back in there. So remember, u was the square root of x. So all we have to do is put that back in there, and I'll expand it out. So our final answer for the integral e raised to the square root of x dx, our answer to this is just going to be 2e to the square root of x multiplied by the square root of x minus 2e raised to the square root of x, and then we need to add a integration constant, a plus c at the end. So that's the answer to this integral. All right, so that's our integration practice video, example number 4. Let me know if you got any questions. I'll see you guys next time.